My name's Kevin Brasch and I'm one of the managing directors of Kalitec here in Solingen. We're an industrial wholesale company specialized in online trading. Among other things, as mentioned, we sell all kinds of lap cables. We now have over 1,000 products from the lap company in stock. Today I'd like to talk about the Champion, a lap product on which we place cable drums to easily unwind and cut our cables. We always test new products ourselves, which we of course want to offer to our customers. So we tested it, and now we sell the Champion daily. As an online retailer, I have to emphasize that we haven't recorded any returns or complaints with the Champion. That's very positive feedback in terms of quality. We need the Champion and our customers love it. We'll continue to work to bring it to more people. Every craftsman should have it, every production company should have it. Anyone who works with cables essentially needs the Champion.